Welcome this video. Palette project decoration idea. If you look for decor ideas that are budget friendly, create and full for rustic charm, then palette project are your perfect start point. Wood palettes are easy to find, simple to repurpose and increasingly versatile. Today we explored some stream palette decor idea that complement transforming your home, gardening or outdoor space without space of forecast less bring. Palette warp art, rustic or personally. If you are fond of farmhouse or rustic decor, palette wall art is a must try. Palette board can be dismantled, light, sand, and arrangement into beauty palette. You can palette meaningful quality geometric shade full outline even art for vibrant look appear point or sand of the top layout and material hub minimize shade light for explore charm arm its upper your soft in your entrance away or use it as a backdrop for your contouring create space. Palette coffee table. Style yet affordable. A palette coffee table is one of the most popular palette projects. Its functional, unveiling style, simple to make, to palette add for while sand that surface application would you are done. You can easily inspire glass top of a modern turn would add steam underneath for magician brink of book this project fit project in living room palette and stood apartment palette plants books beautiful for indoor and outdoor. If you love gardening palette plant box are Game changer. Palette can be cute and resized into shade palette wall movement hub, gardening or layout, regulating the palette bed. Theme with waterproof cast field. Theme with wash hub structure or colorful flower. You can hang those palette on your balcony. Moment theme on the fence or use theme as a vibrant gardening in smart space. Palette shade perfect for smart space. Smart home need simple structure solution or palette shade are perfect for that. A single palette can be cut into two or three shades that easy hold book can framed or simple plants use theme into the bedroom for trellis into kitchen in the living room as rustic decor access then look great even with a simple natural finish. Palette headboard and choosy bedroom upgraded a palette hardboard interior chapter to any bedroom.